What's up? You okay?
I'm fine.
Oh, believe me, I know. You so fine. You bring sight to the blind, girl.
That was so corny.
Whatever.
You sound like an old man at the club. Hey, girl, you so fat. You bring sight to
I did not
blind,
sound like
girl.
that.
Yes, you did.
You sure you okay?
I should be asking you that. All that you've been through. Now's not a good time. It's never a good time.
Tell me.
Our sex is mind-blowing, you know that. But I need more, Anissa. I feel like I'm just a distraction for you. You've been dating a year, and you haven't met my parents, you don't know any of my friends.
I mean, babe, you know I'm busy. Between school and teaching and trying to help organize the community.
I'm not asking you to give up any of that.
Well, that's what it sounds like.
Look, I'm sorry. Like I said, now is not a good time, and you've been through a lot. Sorry.
It's okay.
How are you coping with all this?
I don't know. It just feels weird. It all feels like a dream or a nightmare. I don't know. I just want everything to be back to normal. But all this strange stuff keeps happening. Babe, you know how I broke the sink in my bathroom?
You what?
Yeah, the other night. So I get up to pee, and I have some kind of panic attack. So I grab the sink to brace myself, and it just, I don't know, it just crumbled in my hands like it was nothing.
We'll get you a good therapist. You know, my mother, she's seen them all.
No, babe, but the sink, I'm just trying to...
Probably just some old-ass porcelain sink that was gonna break anyway. Look, the important thing is we find you someone that is gonna help you get through this. You'll be okay. Hey.
I'd expect a whole lot of love out of you. You got to be good to me. I'm gonna be good to you.
Hey. I'm sorry. Do you need me to get out of your way? It's kind of like I moved in.
No, not at all. Can I help you find anything?
No, I'm just doing some research on genetic mutation.
Doing it for school?
No.
Somebody sick?
I hope not.
I hope not, too.
Anissa.
Grace.
What are you reading?
The Outsiders?
It's not my thing.
You know, if you're reading about genetic mutations for fun, maybe it should be. I mean, this is nerd bait. Young folks with outsized powers traveling the world, knocking bad guys on their asses. And then there are the costumes.
Oh, I do love a costume.
Well, I tend bar at the Ruby Red Lipstick Bar, and we do a cosplay party on Friday nights. You dress up as any superhero you want. Supergirl, Looker, if vampires were your thing.
I don't really have a thing. Not yet.
You should come to the party. I would really like you to.
Okay.
So Miss Black Lives Matter is cheating on me with an Asian? Hey,
Come on.
watch it.
I'm not cheating. Unless dancing in spandex means
You
anything.
look like an Instagram hoe.
You did not.
I think you two should talk about this outside.
You gonna be okay? Yeah, I'll be back.
Another day, and another young man has been shot and killed on the streets of Freeland. His name, Jamon Allen Brown. So far, police have not made any arrests.
How'd it go?
She took her key back.
I'm sorry.
No, she was right. We were done. So much has been changing in my life that I was just holding on to something that wasn't working just so I had something to hold on to. Today I felt invincible, you know, and now I just...
Back to reality. We're all just playing at being superheroes.
It'd be nice though. Superpowers. A way to make the world a better place, you know? Really change things. Fight the bad guys, save the good guys.
Yeah. Saving the world would be lonely, I think. You have to keep your identity secret, even from the people you love.
Right, because they'd worry. Yeah. Oh, damn, look at the time. Okay, I've got to go get out of this spandex because I promised my sister I would go to this march with her.
All right, good night, Miss Black Lives Matter.
Good night, Grace.